It was approaching our 70th birthday, and every decade when we hit a 0 year, we have a habit of going on some kind of an adventure. But this year, Larry decided that we should sail V-Tach from Fort Myers down to Key West. That'd be a great adventure, and he could invite members of his family and friends to also join us in Key West. And we could have 4 or 5 days of revelry, celebrate turning 70. Sound like a good idea to me. So we worked on the boat for several weeks to get everything ready for the big trip down to Key West.
This hose right here, that clear hose back in, and it goes down to the holding tank.
Microwave's running, huh?
Well, it will.
I mean, it lit up.
So this, we're working. Oh.
The main thing was the roller furler. All right, well, here we are. Kind of up here. Might as well look around a little while we're here, huh? Anyway, here's what we got. Here's the piece that we thought it might be. Right here. Not. It's this. This little piece here has a hole in it. I have the bolt in my pocket because it wasn't doing anything. Here it is, just stuck in the top. So if this is up and this comes over here, it gets tangled. If this is down, then it probably won't get tangled. So let me see how this video came out. After making a couple adjustments, we took the boat out for a sail and were able to furl the roller furling. There's still work to do on Fort Myers Beach, and we returned up the river and anchored a mile or so from the landings, waiting for the high tide the next morning. As we were cooking dinner, Larry's friend Brian came along with a big slab of Hershey's chocolate, which was very appreciated actually. And we sat there and talked for a while, and then he took off and went home, and we had a nice night at anchor in the river.